Hey guys, Pat Tokuyama here. Today I wanted to talk about some of my favorite SD cards that I have been using for the past few years. So as you may know, I create a lot of videos related to cooking on my YouTube channel, as well as this video right here, product review video for Amazon, and I have several cameras that I use for my production. So for those cameras, I have used a variety of different SD cards over the years. My most recent investment has been with these Angelbird cards, as well as these Sony Tough cards. And there's a few reasons why I chose them. One is I wanted a fast transfer speed, and two, I wanted a good reliability of the actual card so that it doesn't fail, which is pretty important, especially if you don't have a backup recording source or if your camera does not have two card slots, for example. First, let's go ahead and talk about the Angelbird SD card. So this is the 256 gigabyte version, 280 megabytes per second. And if you're not familiar with the different transfer speeds, you can actually learn a lot through the SD card website, but I'm going to show you a screenshot for what that exactly means right now. So you can see here, if you see V60, V30, V90, those are probably the most common cards that you're going to see for SD cards for cameras. So V60 is going to guarantee, a 60 megabyte per second transfer rate, and it's going to be good for definitely 4K video, HD or high def video. These are the different speeds for SD cards that are available. If you're going to be shooting 8K video, for sure you want a V90 card. But I think for most people who are shooting 4K or just 1080p HD video, V60 will be more than plenty. So those are the reasons why I chose these cards, and you might be wondering why I got two different types, and I'll tell you in just a second. So here we have the Sony cards here, and then we have the Angelbird cards. So I didn't really know what to expect. I wanted to try both of these. They both had very good reviews related to the cards before I bought them. I did my research. The Angelbird card in particular, I think one of the benefits or the pros is that they have a data restoration service, which is supposed to be included. If something happens to your card, they're supposed to get your data back. Never had a chance to use it. Hopefully I never will have to use it, but that's one of the pros that this company offers and differentiates from the other brands. The second is that the warranty is also 3 years. So it's a little bit, I guess, in the middle, not as long as some others, but there is a warranty there. And you can see here there's two different versions. I got the micro SD cards for my drone, as well as my Osmo Pocket. And this is also a V60, even though it's a micro SD. So it's pretty small, and it comes with the full-size adapter here, which is also the V60. You can tell because it has the two layers of pins. So that's going to help to transfer the data faster as compared to an older card, which only has one layer of pins. Same pros as the full-size card. I think some of the cons, I would say the warranty could be a little bit longer, and maybe 5 years, 10 years, lifetime warranty, I don't know, but I think longer is always better when it comes to these things. It would have been nice if it came with some software. I don't think that these two cards came with software when I bought them, and I'll talk about the Sony ones in just a second. But those are a couple of the cons. Oh yeah, and actually backing up to some of the pros, I forgot to mention these are supposed to be weatherproof, weather sealed, and also shockproof. Oh yeah, there's a little switch here if you need to put in protection so you don't overwrite any of your files. You can always switch that there, which is pretty standard. I think most SD cards have these days. That's a little bit about the Angelbird cards. I would definitely buy them again if I was in the market and needed some new SD cards. So tells you I'm pretty happy with it. And if you're on the fence or considering buying these, hopefully that helps you.